So welcome to all of you on the neuroscience session. And how are you all? Chit chat ho chuki hai. So guys, some of you already know me, and for others, I'm completely brand new face. But I promise, my dear friends, I'm very friendly and I really want to make this session more interactive and lively and little humorous. Okay, so before dive into this session, let me introduce myself. I'm Komal Gupta from Delhi, and I'm the Master Communication Coach at IDQ. This is all about me. So let's start today's session without taking much time. So what the topic I have chosen for you guys, very interesting, very important, and little humorous. Okay, so let's start. Okay, yes. So what is our topic? Humor. Humor, the secret sauce of great communication. The secret sauce of great communication. Guys, you have little bit idea about the humor? Humor. Have you ever heard this word before? Humor. क्या क्या मतलब समझते हो humor से? Yes, any idea? Humor.
Laughter.
Laughter. Yes, humor means हंसी मजाक जो हम करते हैं, हंसी मजाक, ठीक है? So humor, definitely the humor is the secret sauce of great communication. Guys, do you really like to get the recipe of this secret sauce? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, definitely. Because trust me, guys, if you know how to inculcate the little humor into your talk, into your communication, you can make your communication more interactive. Your audience will love to listen. So that's why today I have chosen this topic for you guys. Okay, so let's start. So what is humor? What is humor? Whatever the ideas you have, guys, into your mind, please share. What do you mean by humor? Yes, any idea? Don't think so, we have to say the Google language. No, whatever is coming into your mind, share your ideas. What do you understand by humor?
Whenever you have communication with someone, you cut jokes in between and
Yes,
you
very nice,
make
very
the
nice. Jokes. But jokes that should be the light-hearted jokes that we cannot comment on others. So light-hearted jokes. Whenever there is a very, we can say, dull mode, very dull environment is there, and we really want to break some ice. So where in that situation, we can crack some jokes. We can crack some jokes. Not only the jokes, we can crack some shairi also. That is also the humor, guys. That is also the humor. But whatever you are speaking in a funny and the interactive way, that is the humor. So humor, yes. Mukti, can you read it? What is humor?
Humor is the ability to find and express things in a funny or amusing way. It lightens the mood and makes communication enjoyable.
Enjoyable. So humor, इसको देखो simple भाषा में समझते हैं. In simple terms, what you can say, the humor is like the recipe of the life. Or you can say it is like the salt of the food. Guys, if there is no salt in a food, do you really like that food? No, we cannot like this. Same goes with the humor. If there is no humor into your communication becomes dull. Your communication becomes bored. But if you sparkle little bit of humor into your communication, into your talk, the audience will love to listen. Why we are coming in IDQ? What is the purpose? Why you have joined this platform? To become an effective and impressive speaker. Okay, this is everyone's motto. That's why you have joined this IDQ platform. But our purpose is not only ki whatever is coming into my mind, I have to just deliver. No, this is not the purpose of the effective and impressive speaker. The purpose is that whatever I am going to deliver to my audience, the audience will start taking the interest. The audience will wait. Okay, now Abha has come. Now Mukti has come. We definitely will love to listen her. So in that case, you should know how to spark a little bit of humor into your talk and communication. Whatever the presentation, talk, anything which you are using, you just know how to add little humor. Okay? ह्यूमर का मतलब गाइस वो नहीं है कि चलो हम धाड़ मार के जोक सुना रहे. नो, वी कैन नॉट से ओके गाइस नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्रैक अ जोक एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट एवरीवन शुड लाफ. नो, दिस इज नॉट अ ह्यूमर. ह्यूमर शुड बी नेचुरल. इट इज कमिंग आउट नेचुरली. ओके. सो ह्यूमर का मेन पर्पस क्या है? इट मेक्स योर कम्युनिकेशन मोर एंजॉयबल. And trust me, if you are able to make your communication more enjoyable, more engaging, the audience will not leave you. Okay? Now, what is the role of humor? What is the role of humor? Humor का क्या role है? There are very important roles of humor. The first role of humor is breaking the ice. Breaking the ice. Break the ice. The humor plays a very important role in breaking the ice. What do you mean by breaking the ice? What do you mean by breaking the ice? Have you heard this word before?
Yes,
Breaking
ma'am.
the
To
ice.
start the
To
conversation.
start the conversation. Whenever you are in a very awkward situation or whenever you are with the strangers, you don't know how to start. How to start. That is called the breaking the ice. So now how the humor helps in breaking the ice. See. Guys, listen, I'm going to deliver one very important presentation and I really appreciate, please listen this presentation very carefully. Do you really think so, guys, that you will listen this thing? No, you will not listen because every time you will get these types of comments. But instead of this, if I will say, hello everyone, today I'm going to deliver one presentation that is short and interesting, just like a good movie trailer. Just like a good movie trailer. So at least क्या होगा इससे? What will happen? At least you can break the ice. At least the audience will listen कि whatever the ma'am is saying, चलो सुनते हैं. And then you can start your presentation. So this is break the ice. Break the ice. So what I have told, simple. Same statement को I just add little humor. Okay? Capture the attention. Definitely, if you inculcate the humor into your communication, you can capture your audience. Build rapport. This is very important point, guys. If you know how to inculcate the humor into your communication, you can build a very good rapport with your audience. Rapport का मतलब, what do you understand by rapport?
Means
Goodwill.
building a relation, with the
Building the
audience.
connection, building the good
Connection.
relation.
Goodwill,
And
we
it-
can say.
Sorry? Yes, Kiran?
Goodwill. Goodwill.
Good.
Reputation.
Once you start making the good connection with your audience, so it means you are able to build the rapport. And it is very important, guys. You will listen from your fluency coaches also. Okay, you guys, whenever you are delivering the presentation, the first thing is that you have to make the connection. And if you are able to make the connection, you can engage your audience with your talk. So this is very important, how to build the rapport. How to build the rapport. Because I'm taking my own example, guys. Since long now, I am trying to reduce my weight. Okay. So then I got an appointment from my dietitian, and last week I went to my dietitian and I told him, ma'am, my weight is not reducing. She was very angry with me. Okay, because she has given me so much diets, and again she started, Komal, you have to cut down your carbs, you have to cut down your sugary items, and blah 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 blah. And I was just listening, and suddenly this line came into my mind, कि ma'am, whenever ना I see the छोला भटूरा ना, तो मेरा दिल कहता है जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. And trust me, guys, once I spoke these lines to my dietitian, वो जो environment था, that was very negative, that turns into the positive. So I really observed a small little smile on my dietitian. And then our communication, ऐसा नहीं है कि she didn't tell me the tips and techniques. She told me, but in a very positive way. And I was free. I feel free to share my problems with my dietitian. So if you know how to inculcate the humor into your communication, the audience will love to listen you. The audience will love to share his or her problems or the ideas with you without the fear of judgment. This is also the important role of humor. Okay? Clear this thing? Okay, and encourage the people to open up. This is also very important. Okay, I'm again taking my example. Whenever I take the team meeting with my team members, I always say, guys, please turn on your camera. And if you have any problem, any query, please discuss to me. Please discuss to me. But they never ever discuss any problem. Never ever discuss. They sit like this. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Then suddenly I told one thing, guys, please don't sit like the mummies. Please open up. Mummies, are you getting? Mummies, जो Egypt की mummies होती हैं. I told this thing, don't sit like mummies. Please open up with a discussion. And in the last meeting, I told, guys, please, this is not a Netflix show. Just unmute yourself and start discussion. Guys, this is not a Netflix show. Just unmute yourself and start discussion. What happened? What happened after that? They immediately unmute yourself. This is an immediate response which I got. Although discussion itna nahi hua, that it hardly matters, but definitely once I spoke in this way, they immediately did the action. Okay, so through humor, we can encourage the people to open up. And once the people are encouraged to open up, to share your ideas, then you can easily grasp their attention. Reduces attention, definitely the humor reduces the anxiety. Right? करके देखना कभी. Humor definitely reduces the anxiety. कभी कहाँ आज ही करके देखेंगे हम. Okay? Messages delivered are more memorable. If you are delivering the messages, that is okay. But if you are delivering the messages by inculcating some humor, that will retain into their mind for the longer period of time. Suppose my baby is crying. And I always say, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. But if instead of this, if I will say, Pushpa, I hate tears. मतलब same ही है. Pushpa, I hate tears. इसका मतलब भी क्या है, guys? Please don't cry. The situation will improve well. But if I will speak, Pushpa, I hate tears. So that message will retain in his mind for a longer period of time. And definitely it will lighten that environment. If he's in a very sad mood, so definitely he will giggle up with a little smile. Have you seen Three Idiots movie? Guys, have you seen Three Idiots movie?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If anything is not doing well, so what is the one line we always speak?
All is well.
All is well.
All is well. All is well is also the message
All is well.
that we delivered by inculcating the humor so that it can retain into their mind. All is well. But all is well बोल और कुछ नहीं. Then you will see the magic of this message. Okay. Now, guys, icebreaker. Okay. Now, this is an activity, guys. First activity. Now, what you have to do in this activity? Are you ready for this activity, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is this activity? I will send you into the breakout room for 5 minutes, only for 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, you have to, I will send you two persons in one breakout room. What you have to do, you just share your name and your profession. Just share your name and the profession. Okay? This is the only activity. But the twist is that, guys, you have to add some little humor. अब ह्यूमर देखो कैसे इसके अंदर हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू ऐड ह्यूमर. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग माय एग्जांपल. हाय, आई एम कोमल एंड आई एम अ कम्युनिकेशन कोच. हु विल लिसन? ठीक है मैम, हो आप. ठीक है, कम्युनिकेशन कोच हो. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. Okay, but instead of this, guys, if I will speak, hi, I'm Komal and I'm into the profession. I'm not disclosing my profession. I'm into the profession where I can make the mumblers into the motivational speakers. Again, I repeat. Hey, I'm Komal and I'm into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers. Okay, so that I can impress. देखो, humor का मतलब बार-बार, guys, I'm repeating the same thing again and again. Humor means you have to grasp the attention of your audience. Why the audience will love to listen you? Are you doing something extra? If you are doing something extra, then your audience will love to listen you. Otherwise, your audience is not interested to listen. This is you. Suppose I'm a housewife. So, hi, I'm Komal. I'm the housewife. No. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm the real boss of my house. Simple. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm the real boss of my house. Okay? Then, in this way, you have to speak. Got it? So, guys,
Yes.
you know your profession. Now you have to act. Whatever is coming, just pen down. Ready, everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
guys. So, there are 22. So, I'm making the breakout rooms. Okay, 11 breakout rooms. Okay. Only for 5 minutes. Make sure. Only for 5 minutes. Okay. Yes, guys. So please join the breakout room. Yeah, hello, Niloy. Niloy, please join the breakout room. Yeah, hi, Vandana.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, Vandana, you have just joined?
Huh?
You have okay. You just come out from the breakout room.
Okay, ma'am.
You have just joined the meeting, or you
Yes,
have
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. You
Yes.
have joined late.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, oh, no, it's okay. It's okay, Vandana. Actually, we are going to discuss about the humor.
Human. Okay, ma'am.
Humor.
Humor. Okay, okay.
हाँ, ह्यूमन के बारे में तो बचपन से बात करते आ रहे हैं, so that's why we are trying to inculcate some different topic. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so that's why we have chosen this topic, humor. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so I have sent your peer group into the breakout room, and
Yes,
they
ma'am.
all have just come from the breakout room, and I'm very impressed that 23 students have joined the breakout room and 23 students have come out from the breakout room. Otherwise, I
Any breakup room, please send me.
Okay, Vandana, I will share the recording. Okay, now you please listen. You please listen. Okay, now the activity has been done. Listen. अभी picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त वंदना. अभी there are still so many things into the session. Okay, चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start. Okay, anyone who wants to share your ideas, ki what type of information you get from your peer group?
Ma'am, I copied from you.
You copied. Okay, Suzanne, I
I'm
love to hear.
I am a boss of my house.
Okay, very nice, very nice. I'm the superhero of my boss, house.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the superhero of my boss who doesn't wear the K but only the apron. Very nice, but Suzanne. Yes. Okay,
Ma'am.
anyone who wants to share?
Ma'am, I have shared like I'm the monitor
am-
of all project managers in my office.
I am the
Monitor of all project managers in my office.
okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay, okay. Now, first you have to tell your profession. Vanna, please mute. Vanna, please mute.
Ma'am,
I also say that I am boss of my house.
Okay, I'm the boss. Okay.
भेज दे मिलेगा
Kiran, एक मिनट, just wait. Some noise is coming. Some noise is
महर्षि
coming.
अच्छा वो ताई को जो महर्षि है वो मत
Ma'am.
Yes, Kiran.
Ma'am, I just said I paint the canvases. I turn hideous to exquisite, and
I-
Indu got me. I just turn hideous people to exquisite people. So she said, "Are you a makeup artist?"
Okay.
Indu immediately got.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Acha,
I
Indu,
said
okay.
I paint the canvases. I paint different canvases. And she said, then I said, I turn hideous people to exquisite people. She said,
Oh.
you are makeup artist.
Makeup artist. Very nice, Indu.
Yes.
Okay, very good observation. Okay, anyone who wants to share?
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
I'm a domestic
I'll
engineer,
introduce
ma'am.
Okay,
myself.
Sangeeta. Yes, Sangeeta.
I said that I am Sangeeta Madhi Viswas, and I always wanted to do something on human body, and that's why I love to extract tooth, and that's why I am dental surgeon, dentist.
Okay, I love to extract the tooth. Okay, you are a dentist. Okay, but Sangeeta, isko thoda sa na, you just try to make in a more polished way. You don't disclose.
Okay,
I
okay,
wanted to. No. Simple say, I am into the profession. Always start with
Okay,
this. I am into the profession so that your audience will love to listen. Matlab, you just create the curiosity into their mind. Okay?
okay.
So then you have
I
to
am-
do it. I'm into the profession, then you can add. Okay, yes, Rakhi?
Can I share, ma'am?
Okay, yes, Dr. Itishri. Okay.
Yes.
You are real doctor or you are a PhD scholar?
No, I am MBBS MD doctor.
Okay, very nice. Okay, great.
As I told, I am into the profession. I make happiness in the sick people and the sick people. So how to happiness? I create happiness on the sick people.
I create happiness under?
On the sick
The
people.
sick people.
Sick
On
people.
the sick people,
Acha,
she means to say.
okay. Very nice. Even Sangeeta, you can also do. I'm into the profession where I love to keep the people smile because you are a dentist now. So that in that case you can use.
And excuse me, ma'am. Like Sangeeta, ma'am, you could also say that I don't know why everybody comes to me and open the mouth in front of me. It's a kind of humor, no?
Yes, it is very nice, Kiran. It is very nice. Because guys, this is the very initial stage, but trust me, if you always stimulate, because this is not an easy activity. This is a right brain activity. This is
Right
a
brain
right brain activity, which you are learning since long in the neuroscience, right brain, right brain, right brain. So this is the one of the right brain activity. But this is not an easy activity, guys. This is not like the screwdrivers or the scissors or the roller pin, which we can easily use in our daily lives. No, this is a right brain activity. And trust me, if you get to know how to inculcate these humor into your communication, you would be an outstanding personality. But it will take time, but gradually it will come into your communication. But for that, you have to stimulate your brain on daily basis. If I will speak, I have to
Komal ji,
inculcate some. Yes?
Komal
Okay,
ji,
ma'am, can I
I
try?
think the doctor thing, the dentist thing could be, may I?
Niloy,
Am I
I'm
audible?
getting your voice, Niloy.
Yeah. Am I audible now?
Yes, little bit.
Okay. So the doctor, the dentist could say also, like, I break the tooth, I remove the tooth, and I charge for that also.
Yes, I remove that tooth and I will charge. Wow, Sangeeta, yeah, you have a strong fan following.
Yes.
Everyone is contributing the suggestions.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Okay, now I'm taking Palak. Okay,
Okay.
Palak. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I'll introduce myself in a little bit humorous way. I will try at least, okay?
Huh.
So, hello everyone. I am Palak Madhwani, the homemaker, the CEO of my home. But my members have different perspective for me. Like for my kids, I am Hitler. For my husband, I'm a control freak wife. And for my in-laws, I'm the luckiest daughter-in-law who got the best in-laws. Though this is not my opinion. And I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat
I
it.
eat. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Excellent, excellent. And Palak, trust me, if you will speak in this way, na, everyone will listen. Even your kids will listen. Kids will
Yeah,
listen.
and they will be happy because
Yes,
जो
because
मैंने
you
image बनाई
you
है
just make the environment very light now. Otherwise, you put the pinpoint on each and every man. Husband भी आ गया, in-laws भी आ गए, kids भी आ गए.
आगे.
But in a very light up. So that is
Yeah.
a key. Okay, guys. Right?
Ma'am,
Mamtaji,
my daughter is standing there. She's saying, बताओ सबको क्या है सच.
Right,
I
right.
didn't understand the seafood, na? What does it mean?
Seafood. See मतलब देखना.
I see food and I
Seafood
eat it.
and eat. Seafood. Suzanne, you know what is seafood?
Yes, ma'am.
Seafood means, you know what is the exact literal meaning of seafood?
No, I didn't get that.
अच्छा, okay. So then
what
we will discuss later on. Seafood, ये आपके carps हो गए, fish हो गए, that is all called the seafood, ना?
Mhm.
Yes.
Because I'm pure vegetarian, so I don't
Then
eat
you are a pure
non-veg.
vegetarian.
No, I am pure
No, I
vegetarian.
know Palak about you. I'm talking about the Suzanne because Suzanne should know seafood. Suzanne, are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am also vegetarian. Pure.
Okay. No issues. Chalo, this activity is done, right? Okay, guys. Okay, now. Yes, so now right brain. This is a science, how to inculcate. Yes, anyone wants to speak? Okay, so now the science behind the humor and the right brain. Okay, as you will know, the humor is directly related with our right brain. As we all know in the neuroscience, we have the two types of brain. One is left brain and one is right brain. Left brain is activate, it means you are more logical. But if you are imaginary, if you are creative, if you really want to inculcate the good sense of humor into your talk, then you should have to activate your right. Okay, emotional connection. If you know how to inculcate the humor, you can easily make the good emotional connection with your audience. Problem solving benefits. So these are all the benefits of the humor. Now, अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि मैम थ्योरी तो बहुत कर लिया. We have learned a lot of theory on the humor. Now let's see some practical applications of humor.
Yes.
Okay. Reena, Tamasi, Vandana, Prachi, Dipti, Pradeep, Sundar, Reshma, guys, Ashwani. If you understand, just show me the virtual thumbs up. Okay. Now the practical applications of humor. As we know, there are the three types of communication. What is that?
Verbal communication.
Yes, very good.
Non-verbal
Non-verbal communication and
special communication.
special communication. I really love to
Body
discuss.
gesture and
No,
gesture.
verbal and
I mean,
non-verbal, I know.
देखो verbal
Gesture, body
communication.
gesture.
No, that comes into the non-verbal communication. So
Non-verbal,
verbal
yes.
communication,
non-verbal.
non-verbal communication, and written communication. So
Yes.
I'm taking these three
Written
communication. Now I'm going to share how to use the humor in these three communications. Okay. So first is our
Verbal communication.
stuck. In just a moment, guys. The system has been stuck. Okay, the first is the verbal communication. Verbal communication, as you all know, what is verbal communication? You all know verbal communication, Manisha? Manisha Jain.
Yes.
Manisha, you know what is verbal communication, dear?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very
Whatever
good.
you are communicating
हाँ,
right now, it's called verbal
verbal
communication.
communication. I तो ना इतना भारी भरकम words use करते हो. Try to make simple. Simple words में क्या बोलते हैं? What is verbal communication? Whatever I'm going to share, my ideas, my thoughts in the words.
in the
In the
words,
spoken words, in the spoken words, that is called the verbal communication. अभी मनीषा मैं आपके साथ क्या कर रही हूँ? I'm just doing the verbal communication with you because I'm just delivering my ideas, my thoughts with you in the form of the spoken words. So that is called the verbal communication. Okay. अगर आप verbal communication, if you are using the verbal communication, so these three are the techniques which you can use into your verbal communication. The first is a witty one-liner. Witty one-liner means होता है that is a very short, clever, and the humorous remark. You have to put one short, clever, short. That remark should be short. ऐसा नहीं हो कि पूरा एक पेज का one paragraph you are making. No, that is not humor. Just witty
simple
one-liner
sentence.
humor you have to
That
use.
means simple sentence. Yes,
Sorry?
simple
No.
sentence.
Simple?
Using simple sentence. Short
Simple
means
sentence. Short. That should be short. That should be short. Like for example, I have written some examples, guys.
Yeah.
Giricha, please mute.
I'm not lazy. But
I'm not lazy, but on the energy saving mode. I'm not lazy,
good.
but on the energy saving mode. This line I always use with my son. He always, his exams were approaching, but he is so lazy. And I always say, ki, why you are lazy? Your exams are approaching. Do study hard. And he always say me in this way, Mama, I'm not lazy. I'm on an energy saving.
Wow.
And once he spoke this line, guys, trust me, wo jo anger tha na, literally turns into little bit of laughter. Okay. But once you are speaking now, that should be coming from your facial expressions also. ऐसा ना हो कि you are on a very serious mode and then you are using these witty one-liners. No, expression should be on a funny mode. Okay? Suppose you fall, okay? And it was a very embarrassing moment. No. If you fall and we always say, no, it hasn't happened with me. Okay, I'm okay. But why you are saying in this way? Na, gir gaye. Then you have to say, I didn't fall. I'm just spending some quality time with the flow. Okay? I didn't fall. I'm just spending the quality time with the flow. Chahe gire ho, chot bhi lagi hai, it hurts you. But why you are saying? Okay, so this is a witty one. The second is playful teasing. Playful teasing होता है खेल में बोल देना. खेल में बोल देना. Suppose I'm saying to Abha, oh wow, Abha, your face is glowing a lot. Always, every time now we are using, your face is glowing a lot. Okay, but what we can say, Abha, just wait. I think something is on your face. And the Abha is very curious to get to know what is on my face. Then I will say, Abha, wait. There is something on your face. Oh, that is a natural charm. That is a natural charm. Okay. So instead of saying, okay, well, you have a glowing face, you have a glassy skin, you can also say in this way. Suppose Indu is very funny. I know Indu is very funny. Okay. But instead of saying, Indu, you are very funny. Indu will say, ma'am, tell me something else now, which I don't know. So then what I will say, Indu, are you always funny or it's just a lucky day for me? Are you guys getting me? In this way, you have to stimulate your brain. You have to say your brain कि भाई अगर मेरे को कुछ बोलना है, if I have to speak, so I have to use some playful teasing. इसको हम tease ही तो कर रहे हैं ना, but in a playful way, so that the audience will love to listen. If I will say, Indu, you are very funny, Indu will not listen to me very interestingly. But if I will say, Indu, are you funny or it's just a lucky day for me? So definitely she will love to listen. She will love to mingle with me. That is a humor. Exaggeration. Exaggeration का मतलब क्या होता है? बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना. Suppose I am very hungry. मैं बोलूंगी, Palak is saying, ma'am, have you done your dinner? No, Palak, I am very hungry. So what? But if I speak, I'm so hungry, I could eat an elephant. I could eat an elephant. Matlab, I'm just exaggerating. Even I cannot eat the elephant, but this is a exaggeration.
Exaggeration means
Exaggeration होता है किरण, जैसे किसी बात को बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोल.
वो
Exaggeration.
and exaggeration EXSS भी होता है ना, SSATION.
But that is a different word. यहाँ पर exaggeration का means होता है कि I am hungry. I know I am very hungry. देखो, you can speak in this way, I am very hungry, or you can say I am so hungry. But you cannot attract your audience. You cannot capture the attention of your audience.
इन दोनों का pronunciation same है.
हाँ.
Exaggeration.
I don't know that word, Kiran. Right now I'm just focusing on this word. Exaggeration. Exaggeration means कि if you are saying something, but if you are speaking in exaggeration mode, so you are saying something.
बढ़ा चढ़ाकर.
नहीं, बढ़ा चढ़ा के तो उसका हिंदी मीनिंग हो गया. मतलब you are saying something that the audience will love to listen you. You will just create the curiosity into your mind. You are showing your feeling, but in a very exaggerated mood by inculcating the humor. I'm so hungry, I could eat an elephant. And once you are speaking in front of your friend circle, suppose 3 or 5 friends are sitting, simply we say, hey guys, please order something now. I'm feeling very hungry. Okay, ठीक है. But if you are say, I'm so hungry, I could eat an elephant. So definitely there is a environment which everyone will giggle up.
Yes,
my mama, you know, my math teacher is so strict. Always the math teachers are strict. My math teacher is so strict. Even the calculators are afraid of her. Even the calculators are afraid of her. Exaggeration. ठीक है, कोई calculator तो no calculator can afraid. But this is an exaggeration. But make sure ki dad, you should know ki how to relate. If you're talking about the math teacher, so you should know ki exaggeration, what should be the exact exaggeration, what should be coming. You cannot use a science lab with the math teacher. That you should correlate. Okay. Facial non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication, guys, very simple. I'm not taking this part lengthier. Non-verbal communication, as you all know. Manisha, you know the non-verbal communication? I think everyone knows. Anita?
Face
Reena?
expression, ma'am.
Everyone knows? Reena?
Yes, ma'am.
Nodding. Reena, you know what is non-verbal communication?
No, ma'am. Nodding, hand gesture, body language.
Non-verbal communication होता है. See the picture. Reena, have you looked at this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Facial expressions. Yes, facial
Wow.
expressions.
Subhash
Body
started,
gestures.
sir.
Eye
Subhash
movements. Eye movements.
Eye contact.
Eye contact. Have you seen
If you not communicate in verbal communication, but your body language, body gesture, and posture will interact to other person how to speak.
How to
Subhash Karthik, sir.
हाँ, कार्तिक सर को कभी आपने देखा है? कभी सर ना अपनी पूरी आईज को ऐसे रोल कर देते हैं. That is also the non-verbal communication. It means something is fishy, or maybe the sir is liking your talk a lot. So that is also the non-verbal communication. ठीक है? So you should definitely work on your non-verbal communication. Smiling, finger on your हम कभी करते तो that is also no non-verbal communication. And the last is written communications. Written communications में क्या आता है guys? Most of you are professionals, so then you have to write the emails. Okay, so then I have to use this humor. Suppose you are writing one email. Your boss is not interested. Even if I'm sending the email to my team members and I will say, guys, I'm sending one email. Please roll your eyes into this email. Team member will say, ma'am, dekh lenge. But if I will write the subject, guys, I'm sending the email and I promise this email is shorter than the grocery list. So at least एक बार तो उनकी नजर जाएगी कि what is this subject? चलो खोल के देखते हैं. Just open it. Okay, I promise that my email is shorter than the grocery list. Funny memes. This is very trendy, guys. You have to use the memes, GIFs, funny. That should be relatable to the situation. Witty text, you can write the text also. जैसे witty liners, punches we are using in the verbal communication, same goes in the written communication. You can use the witty text. I have written one example. I wish, suppose I wish that my bank account is filling. So then instead of this, I wish my bank account filled fast. I have written, I wish my bank account filled up as fast as my email inbox. क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा फास्ट क्या भरता है आज के टाइम पे?
Email box.
Email box. Okay, so then you have to practice. You have to practice according to your profession, according to your talk. Okay, up now the question is coming. Maybe in Girija, Suzanne, Abha, Bharti, you guys are thinking, ma'am, only the professionals or the who are working, only that people can use the humor. No, my dear students. Even the big shots, politicians, celebrities also uses the humor. And I can relate with our Honorable Prime Minister, Modi ji. Why the Modi ji is, I think, everyone's favorite? What is the one quality in Modi ji?
He always creates, humor.
He always creates the humor. And why he always creates the humor? Why he always often uses the humor in his talk? Why?
So that public can listen.
Yes, so that he can attract the masses. Public को attract कर सके. Right? So guys, please listen one of the video of Modi ji. Okay, this is a big. Just let me know कि whether you guys are.
हम अहमदाबादी लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है. धन्यवाद.
Are you guys getting the voice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. But not clear, ma'am.
क्योंकि लोग मेरा फोन के थक जाते हैं.
एक मिनट, just a moment.
बिल्कुल सर.
I'm just checking my. It's 100%. This is the bank. Okay, I'm just sharing only for a few seconds. Okay, now I'm not running the whole video. Okay, just you will get an idea okay, how the masses will like and see the Modi ji's non-verbal expression, guys, also. See, listen very carefully. I really appreciate, guys, if everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute. Done? Now, listen.
अच्छा थक जाते हैं ना.
नहीं बलहार कला पे
मलाह ये जो लोग क्रिएटर्स हैं ना उसमें कुछ लोग वो भी हैं जो क्या खाना चाहिए वो भी कहते हैं.
Now you will listen.
बहुत बधाई देता हूँ लेकिन फिर भी मैं चाहूंगा थोड़ा.
मतलब मैं एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा, अपने अंकित भैया के साथ लास्ट ईयर स्वच्छ भारत दिन के दिन क्लीन अप किया था. ये मेरी भी
Listen this.
क्योंकि ज्योतिष चीज है कोई भी हाथ दिखाता है. मैं अपना बचपन का एक अनुभव बता दूं. मैं ट्रैवलिंग करता था बहुत और कभी आरक्षण रिजर्वेशन तो कोई सोचता ही नहीं था. भीड़ बहुत होती थी अनरिजर्व डिब्बे में. तो मैं क्या करता था, देखता था कि हाँ थोड़ा मौका है तो मैं किसी का हाथ पकड़ के शुरू करता देखना. तुरंत लोग मेरे लिए सीट की व्यवस्था करते थे।
So what you have observed, I don't know whether you guys are getting the voice or not, but from mine it's 100%, but still I will work on this. Okay, but what you have observed, anything which you have observed, Prachi, anything which you have observed from this video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mukti. Yes, Mukti.
Ma'am, he's suggesting the boy to increase his weight.
हाँ नहीं तो नहीं आपने क्या एनालाइज करा इसे डू यू रियली थिंक सो कि मुक्ति देयर इज अ लार्ज ऑडियंस सिटिंग in that auditorium and everyone was laughing, no one was busy on mobiles, otherwise it happens most of the time if it's a conference is going on and if someone is delivering the lecture, most of them starts using the mobiles, but in Modi's
He said na, मैं
That
अपने
was
बचपन की
quite
कहानी बता रही हूँ.
captivating,
हाँ,
ma'am.
yes,
What
very
I,
captivating.
yeah, his
Yeah.
wittiness attracted me, his wittiness.
Yes, yes,
Modi's
yes.
wittiness,
And
the
have you
way,
seen the body language?
body
Have you seen the
language,
body
yes.
language also? And once the
Hmm.
Modi ji was speaking, the facial expressions, have you seen, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So that is the humor. That is the
Both
humor.
verbal and non-verbal communications both
Yeah,
simultaneously
both
going on.
synchronize, both synchronize.
Yes.
And Mukti, trust me, if you are able how to synchronize your verbal and the non-verbal communication, no one can beat you to become an effective and impressive speaker.
Ma'am, he is also he is very much used his non-verbal communication.
Non-verbal, nahi, actually,
Yes,
Anita, he was using his verbal communication also, but due to the voice issue, na, you are not able to listen him
yes.
in a very effective way. Okay?
Okay.
But yes, matlab, even I just want to say ki that Modi ji, Prime Minister of India, he uses humor oftenly. So why
That
we
was a
guys are not
great,
using? Yes, yes, Tamasi.
yes, that was a great blending of verbal and non-verbal communication.
Every step, ma'am, he was making so creative. So
Yes,
we
every meeting, even everyone will love to listen.
yes.
Okay, guys, now. Okay, time constraint. Okay, now you guys, are still okay na? Everyone wants to need some water break. You can have. Dipti, are you okay?
Yes, yes, we are.
Yes, okay. Reena, okay? Vanna, Pradeep, Chaya, Sunita, Reshma, if you are guys getting it, please show me the virtual thumbs up.
Yes.
And sometimes, na guys, you occasionally switch
Yes.
on your video so that I get to know ki whether you guys are awake or sleeping mode.
And
Okay?
it's not non-verbal communication.
It's a non-verbal communication. Very nice, very nice. Acha, now guys, I'm just sharing some practical implementations. Okay, because I have chosen, because you have opted the 7 p.m. batch, so most of you are professionals. Okay, Chaya, thank you, dear. So most of you are professionals. So now how to inculcate the humor into your presentations, meetings, client interactions, that is very important. Suppose this PPT is coming in front of you. This this slide is full of data, full of figures, okay, full of images. But this is very important, guys, from the business requirement. Because sometimes it happens that you have to showcase some PPTs which is full of data, full of figures, full of numbers. And you have to show because this is a prerequisite of your business. But if you are showing in front of your clients, what your client will say, oh my God, this PPT we have to see. Again, a boring PPT is coming. Definitely. Okay. And if you were in that position, so definitely you will also get the, but guys, you have to showcase this PPT. You cannot remove this data, but how to inculcate, how to break the ice, how to break the ice. This is a question, how to break the ice in that. Now I have written something, guys. See, you will say, once you will show this PPT, you will take 1 or 2 seconds pause. You will take 1 or 2 seconds pause. No one is interested to listen to you. No one is interested to seeing this PPT. Okay, so then you will take 1 or 2 second pause and then you will say, quite simple. I hope you have understood it. Just you have to do in this. Or you can say, I will be impressed if you get even half of it. I will be impressed if you even get half of it. So this is just a punch. This is just a punch line how to start the presentation. Once you will speak, it's quite simple. I hope you all have understood it. Everyone will start listening. Acha, he's talking about this PPT. And once they will start taking the interest in you, then you will start this PPT. PPT to dikhana hi hai. You cannot make the changes in this PPT. But how to grasp their attention, that is most important.
And ma'am, if you not capable for presenting our PPT and what you write in your PPT, you not describe in a properly way in communication. Use both language, verbal communication and non-verbal
Non-verbal
communication.
communication.
It's very important how to present your PPT in
Yes.
front of others.
Yes.
If you speak only verbal communication and communicate, no one understood.
Here we are not talking about the verbal and non-verbal communication. Here we are just talking about how to grasp their attention.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
then you have to use some punch liners. You have to use some witty liners. So these are all the witty liners. One line statement hai. Once you will, instead of this, Prachi, if you will say, hi guys, I'm going to deliver this presentation. I really appreciate. Please see this presentation very carefully. Who will listen you, Prachi? No one will listen you. Trust me, dear, no one will listen. But if you will say, you will just show this presentation, take the pause for 1 or 2 seconds, and then you will say in a little bit funny mode, it's quite simple. I hope you all have understood it. Then they will literally curious. Are likha kya hai bhai? Then you will start. Because the first requisite is that to grasp their attention. Okay, suppose there is a meeting. Meeting is going on. Okay. So now you can say, okay, guys, thank you so much for coming this meeting. And I promise this meeting is short. Everyone knows now how the meeting can be short. Meeting is short. Okay, everyone knows. But again, you have to call to the team members or your clients. Then you can say, I promise this meeting short and sweet, just like coffee breaks. This is a witty line. Just like the coffee breaks. So everyone will see, just to make the environment lighten up. This is a humor. Okay. Suppose there is a team meeting. I frequently use these punchliners with my team. Don't sit like mummies, guys, please share your thoughts. And at least they just switch, unmute yourself. At least they just spoke only the single one-liner or the two-liner discussions. Feel free to ask the question, guys. I will not bite you. Okay, I will not bite you. Feel free to ask the questions. Suppose it's a virtual meeting is going on. You are taking the virtual sessions. Virtual meeting is going on. We always say, guys, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Do you really think so it works? No. बोलते रहो, नहीं करते. बैठे हैं हम तो बेड में रजाई के अंदर. ठीक है, नहीं करते. But if you will speak in this way, please turn on your camera, guys, and smile occasionally so that I get to know whether you are awake or not. And trust me, guys, I really, whatever the humor I have written, these are all that try and tested. I have tested this humor with my team members. Once I spoke, please turn on your cameras and smile occasionally. I just get to know whether you are awake and not. Immediately, I got the response. और वो हमारे को सिर्फ वो immediate response we want. Then we can showcase ourselves. Right? Suppose you are teachers. Okay, you are teachers. Now there are again the scenarios. Suppose there is a teacher and student. Right? I always use this type of humor with my son. I never say to my son, your handwriting is too bad. I cannot understand what you have listened. Because if I will speak in this way, he will never ever show me the copies. Never ever show me the notebooks. I always say, wow, your handwriting is too creative. Even I cannot read it. And he was very much excited. He just started showing me all the notebooks.
Oh my God, your handwriting is just like a doctor.
Very nice, very nice. Your handwriting is just like a doctor. Your handwriting is too creative. I cannot understand it. Okay, so these are all the humor. These are all the humor. Teacher is saying, suppose some of you are teachers, you are saying to the class, hi class, now I'm going to start the session. I really appreciate, please listen to me carefully. Do you really think so teenagers will listen you? No. But if you will say, hi guys, just let's make this session more interesting than your Insta reels. They will listen. Trust me, they will listen. Insta reels, because they can relate. They can relate. अच्छा मैम ने इंस्टा बोला है, चलो सुनते हैं, मैम कुछ तो कह रही होंगी. Something is saying. Okay. So guys, I have written some examples. I will share the PDF. So you please, suppose parents teacher meeting. Where the teacher is always saying, you are taking the parents teacher meeting and the parents are coming to you and you are always saying, ma'am, your child is nothing to do. He's so dull. He hasn't do any work in the classroom. He always makes a noise. Why you are speaking in this way? No one likes to listen the negative talks, even the parents also. Then you can say, ma'am, your child is so creative to find the new ways of not doing the homework. Right? कहने का मतलब इसका यही है कि मैडम आपका बच्चा कोई काम नहीं करता. Your child is least interested to do the homework. But why you are saying your child is least interested to do the homework? You have to say your child is so creative to find the ways of not doing the homework. If you are showcase a report card, see ma'am, how much less marks your child has received. Why you are saying? You can say, ma'am, your child's progress report is like a roller coaster. One time up, one time down. Okay. So I have given some examples. So guys, the last is, this is just a recapitulation. We just recap and after that we will do one activity. So recapitulation is that humor doesn't mean always to crack the jokes. No, the jokes must be very light-hearted. Light-hearted because to make the environment lighten. To make the environment lighten. So then in that case, you have to crack the light-hearted jokes. Like for example, suppose I'm going to say, hi guys, I'm going to start the presentation and please listen my presentation. I want to inculcate one light-hearted jokes. Hi guys, I'm going to start my presentation. If you like it, applause is always welcoming. Otherwise, I have to start it again. And everyone will start clapping. Are bhai, kaun sunega dobara since? Are you guys getting me?
Yes.
Are you guys getting me? This is a light-hearted joke. This is a light-hearted joke. Because guys, everyone wants appreciation, na? But you cannot say, okay, guys, after the completion of my presentation, na, I really appreciate if you clap for myself. No. But if you will say, otherwise, I will start again. At least I'm not saying 100%, but at least you will get 60-70%, you will get the applause sound. Be natural. Definitely the humor should be coming out naturally, but by practicing. Don't make the fun of others. That's why, guys, if you see whatever the examples I'm taking the examples of myself. Okay. Add funny memes and gifs you can use. Don't try yourself to be funny because humor doesn't means that you have to become the stand-up comedian. No, हमें यहाँ पर stand-up comedian नहीं बनना है. That is a different profession. Understand the audience culture, guys. This is very important. If you are inculcating the humor, so you should know your audience culture, whether they are the housewives, whether they are the working profession, whether they are the Asians, whether they are the non-Asians. This is mandatory. Otherwise, they cannot relate. So that's why it is very necessary to know their culture. Add exaggeration and finish your intro with the punchline. Okay, so these are the recapitulation. Okay, time allow. Okay, chalo. Guys, this is also one of the activity I have written there. Okay, now I'm going to give very serious situation. Serious situation kya hai? I always say this to my son. You're always sitting on a couch, no work at all. This is a serious situation. And being a mama, I don't want to use these serious statements to my son. So my question is, dear, how you can make this situation, serious situation, into little humorous? This is a question. Just try anyone. जो भी आ रहा है mind में. Because this is very initial class, guys. We cannot expect we must be the master of that.
My God, all the time you are sitting, your couch needs to take breath.
Indu, speak louder.
Oh my God, all the time you are sitting, your couch needs to take breath.
Okay, your couch needs to take rest. Very nice, very nice, very nice, Indu. Wonderful, wonderful. Any more inputs?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Yes,
You are becoming a couch potato, and we love to eat that couch potato. Get up now.
very nice, Mukti. I really impressed, guys. At least you start working on your brain
Okay.
and right brain.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
Tamasi.
yeah. Wow, great. You are in your relaxation mode. Then just see, couch is getting bored with you.
Couch is getting bored. But Tamasi, once you are speaking, you should have that funny mode onto your face. Expression should be there, Tamasi.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
actually,
your son will say, Mama, you also sit on the couch and just relax.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay.
yeah,
we can say them in
thank you.
sarcasm. In sarcasm में ना बेटा, you must be tired of resting all the day, ना? आप
Palak,
थक गए होंगे.
हाँ.
हाँ?
Yeah.
Like
And
in
we
sarcasm
can
में,
also
like बेटा, you must be tired ना by resting all the day. आप थक गए होंगे ना पूरा दिन आराम करके.
Right. Very
and
nice. Very
and we
nice.
can
Sarcastic way.
also say that you are the king of this couch. This couch is your city, no?
This couch is
You're
your
all
city. Yes.
yeah, you're always sitting and taking care of your city.
Yes. So,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, are you in love with the couch?
Are you in love with couch? Very nice. Very nice. Is this your new girlfriend? You didn't tell me.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have written
Yes,
if life.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Son said you are always sitting on couch. Please, mom. Mom, give the couch some rest.
Yes, definitely. You should give some rest. Rest. And Bharti, everyone, we have to practice a lot, guys, because it should be coming out naturally. Then you can make the environment little humorous.
Right, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, may I try?
Okay, up there are so many examples. Okay, right.
Yeah.
I have written if lying on a couch is an Olympic game, you definitely get a gold medal. Okay, right. Okay, suppose you are spending too much time on your phone. This is a very serious situation. Nowadays, it's a very serious situation. He's spending too much. Not even the kids, guys, even our spouse. If he is at home, so definitely most 50% time he spends on the phone. So it's a serious issue. If you will say, you are spending so much time on the phone. So एक आंसर सुना दूसरे आंसर निकाल दिया. So then how we can make the little humorous? Yes, Prachi?
Like, ma'am, like we can say na, beta, you should work in call center. At least you can bring home some money, na.
Very nice.
And if this much of time you have given to God, you might have visited heaven the time.
Heaven. Very nice. Yes. Try.
Beta,
Anita.
You do hard work whole day, so that's why you need to save your energy. That's why you sitting on a couch.
Okay, but Prachi, just make these statements are simple and crispy. Yes, Niloy.
Or your couch is getting suffocated to death.
Your couch is getting suffocated to breathe. Very nice. Prachi, just make the simple and short. Okay.
It's dying.
Okay, ma'am. May I try?
Bolo.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
So I will say like that. Your phone might be thinking that why are you torturing
Why are you
so
torturing me
much?
whole day? Just torture me, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
And
then you
why
take.
are you spending this much time with your girlfriend?
Very nice, very nice. If your phone could
I'm so
talk, it would
sorry
be
to
probably
someone.
asked for breaking the scrolling. Okay, yes. You need to eat more vegetables. Okay, now I would like to ask from Sangeeta, Anita. Sangeeta, Anita, Reena. Guys, please share your inputs. You need to eat more vegetables. Any idea? Vegetables won't bite you. भैया सब्जियां तुम्हें खानी चाहिएगी.
might
It will
have
help
done
you to grow. Okay, so vegetables won't bite you. If your room is so messy and you are saying arrange it properly, then how you can say Mukti?
Ma'am, when my son the messy room, then I say to him, the dog always clean their space, and
The dog always clean your space, so why you are not cleaning?
Yes,
Right.
You are worse than dog.
Okay, Kiran.
Ma'am, I'm telling you the actual thing. What I say to my son, actually, whatever he eats, he keeps the plates and the bowl on the side, and he never keeps it in the kitchen. So I always say, "Beta, let's call carpenter." He says, "Why?" I said, "I can make a sink here, na? So that you can keep that utensils in the sink on your bed. You
Yes,
have
yes,
made the
yes,
room
yes.
so messy.
So
Let's make
messy.
a sink on the bed."
Right. So I have written, is this your room or an archaeological site? Should I call some scientists to discover?
And
Okay.
sometimes, ma'am, I say like your rooms look like that there is a bomb blast in the New Delhi railway
Bomb blasting.
station.
I always use, Kiran, this type of statement too with my son also.
Yes, I said
Okay.
there is a bomb blast in New Delhi railway station.
Yes. Okay. So these are some examples. I will share this PDF. So you please, this would really help you how to inculcate the humor. Now, guys, this is activity number 2. This is activity number 2. Guys, you have the time now only for 15 minutes. You guys have time only for 15 minutes. Okay. Yes. Now, what is this activity? Yes. Okay. Thank you. I'm traveling. Okay. Sunita is traveling. Kiran is saying prerequisite. Kiran, prerequisite का means होता है कि what are the essential things which you need. Acha, add a dash humor. Now, guys, this is an activity. What is this activity? I have written 3 topics. The topic first is mother scolding her son. The second topic is how to make tea. The third topic is how to start the presentation. This is a topic. These are the 3 topics. Okay. Now I will send you into 3 to 4 people into one group. You can choose any topic. I really appreciate, guys. You will write, you have to write all the 3 topics because you don't know you will go into which room. Just write all the 3 topics, and what you have to do, I will allow you 10 minutes time. 10 to 12 minutes time I will allow you. And what you have to do, you have to just generate 1 or 2 ideas, not more than that, because of the constraint of time. So you just generate 1 or 2 ideas, and after coming back, after every one room, I will ask one idea. Mother scolding her kid. If the mother, this is a situation, mother scolding her kid. So how you will inculcate the humor if the mother is scolding her kid? Okay, how to start the presentation, how to make the tea. Now, I know that making the tea is very simple, but why the person is love to listen your tea? That should be something additional. That should be something little humorous. Are you getting, guys, what you have to do? Done? कुछ तो बोलो.
Ma'am, presentation regarding our profession or any kind of presentation?
नहीं, simple. मैंने कोई ऐसा टॉपिक ही नहीं दिया. Simple. Suppose करो mother scolding her child. So mother is always saying, why you are sitting like a idle person, lazy person like a couch. Then you have to use the humor. Okay, why your room is so messy? Abhi, right now we have just discussed the some points, but you can add your humor also. If
You
you
make
want,
you make a new rest room, so ma'am,
you
for
have.
this.
Yes, dear. I'm making.
But you don't add me. Right now I am busy. So don't.
Acha, you don't want to indulge into the breakout room?
No, no, ma'am. Don't
Okay,
add me.
okay. So then 16.
And third is a presentation, right?
How to start the presentation, how to make the tea, and mother scolding her child. 10 minutes. I'm sending you for the 10 minutes. Okay? 10 minutes ज़्यादा है, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes are more. ठीक है? चलो. Just join the rooms. Yes, Niloy? Niloy, join the room. Niloy? Niloy, please join the room. I think some network issue from your end. Niloy, I have sent the room number 4. Just join the room number 4. Niloy, are you there? Niloy, please join the room. Niloy, please leave the meeting and join again. Join again. Please leave the meeting and join again. I think some network issue from your end.
You take attention I have a plan B, and I asked her what is a plan B. So then she said me, and everything is put the under the bed and clean the room. That's it.
Nice.
You
Okay, ma'am.
understand me?
Yes, ma'am. Some.
मतलब कि वो साफ करने के बजाय सारा आइटम बेड के नीचे रख के सारा रूम क्लीन कर देती है, कहती है उसमें टेंशन लेने की क्या बात है, देखो अभी मैंने मिनटों में साफ कर दिया. Yes.
Are you
And
in Delhi?
Okay. Very nice, Bharti, Varna, Ashwani, Dipti. Guys, are you getting this topic? Because this is a very interesting topic. And trust me, if you know how to use this, देखो guys, this is an right brain activity. It will take time, but how to inculcate these human into your mind? By practice, by observation also, by listening. Okay, if you are sitting anywhere, maybe in a bus, maybe in a train, so you just observe the crowd. You have to generate the ideas into your mind. Initially, you have to cram some ideas, but after practicing, it will come out automatically from your mouth.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we are choosing the both one topic or separate
Only
topic?
one topic, only one topic. Only one topic. You guys have to generate the ideas. Only on one topic you have to.
We are decided to only alone one by one topic.
No,
I
only one
decided
topic
to
from one
take
room. One topic from one room.
one topic from one
From
room.
one room. Okay, so you just make some ideas, one or two ideas, just you have to make. After that, I will share the whole PDF and recording. Guys, you have the time, just go through with this video again, PDF again, and start making your own humor. And use that humor into your daily conversation.
But ma'am, in this topic, we can use humor.
Humor ही तो use करना है.
Ma'am, I have one line. Just check it is right or not. As Bharti ji said.
Dipti, I will check into the main group.
Okay, no issue.
अभी तो I'm just checking कि whether you guys are getting this concept or not. ठीक है? I will check into the
No
main
issue,
group.
ma'am. No
Okay,
issue.
okay.
Yeah,
Please
thank
do
you, ma'am.
practice. Okay, okay, dear.
Sentence we can also.
Already I told you that are you doing any important research on memes, because everyone is busy on memes on mobile. That's why I can ask to my son.
Yes, it's
So Pradeep, any
now
idea
we
from now we need
Yes, guys. चेहरों पे हंसी मुस्कुराहट देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि you guys are able to inculcate some humor. Huh? Facial expressions sometimes describes each and everything which somehow verbal communication doesn't describe. Okay, chalo. So let's start. One idea from one room. Anyone who were in the room number 1, guys. Share any ideas.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Yes,
We
Renu?
don't remember our room numbers.
Yes,
Acha, okay. I'll let you know. Room number 1, Kiran, Mukti, Palak, Prachi, Susan.
Ma'am, can I share first because someone is at home?
Yes,
If you
yes.
don't mind, please.
Dipti, लेकिन
May
एक बार-
I, all of you, please?
just unlock the door and just come to me again. ठीक है?
Okay.
मुलाकातों के अभी कुछ क्षण बाकी हैं दीप्ति. ठीक है? चलो start करो.
So, ma'am, I have one thing. My kids, I'm mother of 2 kids, and they are very lazy, and they all the time keep their room very mess.
Okay.
So generally, I say them, if you put as much efforts into cleaning your room as you do into avoiding it, we would have a 5-star hotel on our hands.
We would have the 5-star hotel
5-star hotel on our hands.
in our
Means-
hands. Okay.
And one more thing, whenever they leave room, they always turn the switches
Lights,
on.
switch on.
They leave the light, AC, they left like that only. So one day I called them, I told them, please serve some water and biscuit or tea, or ask them So they said, who is there? Nobody is there. Then why this light and AC is on?
Very nice, very nice, very nice, Dipti. This is the real humor, Dipti. The only thing is that, Dipti, once you were speaking these humor, na, that the smile is missing.
Smile.
So
Yeah.
you should
I need to
inculcate.
work hard on my body language. So
That is the
so
only
that-
thing missing, Dipti. Otherwise, at least I'm very happy कि you start stimulating your brain कि how to use this. Very nice, Dipti. Now just unlock the door and come to me fast. Only for 5 minutes. Okay? Just go, Dipti. Okay. Yes, next from room number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mukti.
Yes.
Hmm.
Today I'm going to tell you how to make a energetic tea that makes you that gives you energy within a minutes. How to make a tea? Take a pan, put some water, put on the gas, and just take all the masalas like cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, and just mash them very well so they will crushed and put it in the pan and keep them for boiling just for 2 to 3 minutes. Just look at them, how they are boiling and smiling and floating in the water. Give us the taste, nice taste. Then put the fresh tea leaves in it. Make it boil for 2 to 3 minutes again. When you feel the aromatic smell of tea, put sugar and milk over it. Keep it for 5 to 6 minutes. You have to wait because tea makes you so much energetic and you have to wait. You have to keep some patience for the energy drink. Then you will come to know it's already done. Pour the tea in the cup. The sound will give you the most satisfaction. The sounds will give you the most satisfaction.
Satisfaction.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, can I add something to this? My own views about tea.
Okay, let her complete, Palak.
Okay.
And just sit on the chair and just imagine it's raining outside and we are having a sip of masala tea with some cookies. You will be at the heaven, who all are the chai lovers.
Okay, very nice, Mukti. But Mukti, honestly tell me the answer of this question. If you will speak this, do you really think so, ki, are you justified to add the humor into this talk?
No, humor will add the Palak. Palak will add the humor.
Acha, Palak will add the humor. So what you...
Ma'am, we also added humor, like Palak said that the tea will give us bad breath afterwards.
Like,
Like he is not a tea lover.
I'm not a tea lover, so I will add like tea is my worst kind of friend. Think about it. Tea gains your trust by promising your caffeine booster, but then it betrays you by taking out your fresh breath. With a friend like tea, who need enemy?
Okay.
As I'm not a tea lover.
And I added this this thing. Like I said, Palak, for you, Mukti is just smashing the ginger. She's taking the ginger's breath out just to make your breath good, so that you may not have bad breath afterwards. And see how the cardamom and cinnamon, when they came out of the jar, they thought that maybe we are going to swim, but she put all of them in the boiling water.
Okay. Dekho, guys, I really appreciate your efforts, but still, if you are saying in front of your audience, you definitely have to capture their attention. Abhi somehow it seems in their mind कि, oh my God, you guys are talking about the tea or something about some different recipe. Okay, because for us, making tea is the simplest task. Right? For us, making tea is the simplest task. So then you have to think in that area. Just for simple, making tea is the simplest task. Just boil the water, add some water, add some sugar, throw some milk, and add some tea leaves. And I'm still know that it is faster than asking to my student just switch on the camera. मतलब वो इतनी सिंपल है कि मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बोलती हूँ ना कि जस्ट स्विच ऑन द कैमरा, उससे पहले मेरी चाय बन के तैयार हो जाती. Okay, so you have to say in this way. Try to use. ठीक है? Okay, anyone who wants to say from room number 2? Ashwani, Bharti, Dipti has done. Room number 3, Anita, Indu, Reena.
Ma'am,
Okay,
tea
only one line because we have the constraint.
ma'am, we know that tea is not good for health,
Dipti.
but tea is always a good idea. It's energy booster for ladies.
It's an energy booster for the ladies. Energy boosters, do you really think so? It's
Ma'am,
everything. It's everything for us. It's everything for us.
Mindset.
It's a मतलब वो कहते हैं ना, it's a friend for gossipings also. If we have a very low energy, so then it can create our energy. So everything is for us. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, sometimes
Yes.
every evening, I spend time with my tea. With my tea, a cup of tea.
No, what
See,
was the first liner?
Every evening, I spend time with my cup of tea.
But what is the humor in that? That is your feeling. You are just sharing your feeling. You are just sharing your feeling.
Yeah, means this is my energy boosting
This is your
every day.
Acha, Anita, if you are saying to your husband ki, dear, please make me a cup of tea. Do you really think so your husband will make a cup of tea?
No.
No. But if you will speak in this way, see, if you love me, na, say it. If you love me, say it. If you miss me, show it. And if you respect me, just make a cup of tea, na. He will definitely make. He will definitely make.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right? Done, guys? Okay, now. I'm now very listen thing, guys. Sorry, agar kisi ka reh gaya, so definitely you can share. So this is a conclusion. How the humor helps engagement, retention, stress relief, and the enhance the creativity. So these are the conclusion how the humor helps you. Now, guys, this is an assignment, very important assignment I am going to discuss. I'm going to give you an assignment. Okay. Now, Sangeeta, can you read it? This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak louder.
Hello, everyone. I am Kamal. I am from Komal. Okay. Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Komal. I am from Delhi. I am a communication coach and I am very excited to be here. I love meeting new people and sharing ideas. My goal is to keep things engaging and meaningful. Let's learn, grow, and have a great time together.
This is my introduction. Now Palak is thinking, Dr. Itish is thinking, ma'am, what is that? Everyone has a self-intro. Huh? Do you guys really think so, that after reading this intro, you guys really love to listen me? No. If I will share this intro to you, Mukti Abha will say, Are, next. Okay. But, Kiran, can you read it?
Hey everyone, I am Komal and from Delhi, Dilwalon. I am into a
Kiran, wo feel, non-verbal communication leke aao saath.
Fine. Hey everyone, I am Komal and I'm from Delhi, Dilwalon ki. I am into a profession where I can make mumbles into motivational speakers. And I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice.
I had no choice.
I had no choice. Enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake, engaging, and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Palak, what you analyzed after seeing these two scripts?
Like definitely it will grab the attention of the audience when you will use the right hand side of your
right
intro.
hand side, guys. And you have to use in this way, guys. Dilli Dil Walon Ke, because I am from the Delhi, so I always use Dilli Dil Walon Ke. So you are from which area? Just try to use some humor. Just Google it. Dekho, this is very initial factor. It will not suddenly come into your mind. Definitely, you have to do practice. You have to take the help of Google. You have to use your mind. You must be very observation. You have to develop your observation skills. You have to listen others. In which way they are. You have to listen the podcasts. Okay? Something funny podcast you have to, some good podcast you have to listen, so that the words are coming into your mind. Okay, now instead of this, hello everyone, blah, 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 if I will make in this way, hello everyone, I'm Komal from Dilli Dil Walon Ke, and I make into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers. So guys, trust me, you will attract your audience. You will attract your audience. Now, this is your homework, guys. What you have to do, I will share this thing into your WhatsApp group. But what it's your assignment that you have to share your own script. Simple. Don't write in such a lengthy way. Okay. Try to keep short, simple, but little humorous. Humorous is very important. Just share your assignment on my personal.
What? Could you please repeat that?
Indu, I'm just saying that you have to share your own self-intro script, but that should be short, simple, but little humorous.
Sounds good.
Humorous. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि you are in which profession, what is your profession, how much time you are spending. No, I'm least interested in that. I'm only interested कि how you make your script, your intro into humorous script. Okay? चलो जाते जाते
गलती नहीं होती.
Just see.
ह्यूमर हमेशा रखना जिंदगी में, हंसते हमेशा रहना, एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस जरूर रखना. जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे की जो एक इनोसेंस होती है, जो उसका दुनिया की तरफ जो नजरिया होता है, बड़ा इनोसेंस सा होता है, उसमें कोई खामी नहीं होती, गलती नहीं होती, अभी दुनियावी बातें नहीं आई होती, तो वैसे ही रखना. कई बार बचपन में मैंने जब बदतमीजी की या कोई गलत काम किया, तो उन्होंने सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से मुझे बचाया. और जिंदगी भर अगर आप अपने ऊपर, अपने हाल पे, दुनिया पे, क्योंकि लोग आपसे हर कोई बात कहेंगे, अच्छी बात भी कहेंगे, बुरी बात भी कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर आप उसको एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से देख सकेंगे, तो जिंदगी जो है बहुत बेहतर रहेगी.
Okay guys, so this is लोगों का काम है कहना, लोग तो कहते रहेंगे, but we should know कि how to use the humor.